Are you satisfied? Good look TV tonight. This is Rush Shiloh, keeping it locked.
Yeah, so today, my idea, I go celebrate, you know. It's a small celebration, nothing too big, you see me? It's a celebrate life, you get what I mean? I say, yeah. So right now, I go grab a meal and grab a bottle of champagne, you see me? And get the thing done the right way. Yeah. Alright, that's how we have to pick up the food from. So we are going to pick up the lobster right now. We just get the food and thing. So yeah, so we are going to pick up the champagne, people. LCBO liquor store. So we're there in a liquor store, people. Liquor for days. See champagne there, man. She like me go grab this, you know. See it there? Yeah. I'll grab some other little ingredients. This me I go beat with the lobster. You see me? I don't know if I can touch this till later still, but you know if I. But we have one little disappointment with the lobster box so far. Like too much gravy there in the lobster, people. Yeah. That leak. So right now, you have to go shear it out. So I go and go shear it out. That's something else. The box now go work, people. That leak. My idea. So I go and leave it to the fullest. Eat there. Irish mushroom. Jamaican peanut drink. Real deal. So, good dive night now. See what I go on. Jamaica Island Cuisine Lobster. Just put too much gravy in there, so I've end up taking it out of the box, you know, but that's not a problem. As I say, normally when I buy a lobster, I get it in the shell. First, I buy a lobster and it in the shell. But so far, it eat good. So this is lobster with ground provision. So we have banana, boiled dumpling, Irish, and sweet potato. I don't know what like a carrot up on it. So lobster Irish mash. Good old Irish mash. Lobster Irish mash. I don't know where I'm gonna bust this later. Yeah. As I say. We don't know yet. But we are gonna see what I got. I don't want to consume too much things at once, that's why I really showboat about my route. Yeah, I mean I say. So far, tasting lovely. And seafood, I always choose seafood over everything else. Although I'm not eat red meat, but seafood are my thing. My bro at Jamaica we go on the review on the red meat then. No, I not touch the red meat, people. Nah, touch it. But eat red meat at a marsh. You wanna see him on the channel. Him eat red meat. Me not touch the red meat. You see me? So I stick to seafood and chicken. You get me? So you see me with some shrimp here and there. So as I say, nah, touch red meat. I stick to my seafood. So I leave that up to Marsh for you review on red meat. You get me now, people? Me stick to my chicken and my seafood. That's my thing. Yeah, people, so far, good little birthday meal, you know. The food there, you get a 8 out of 10. And it really spicy. Lobster is very spicy. Which, I like spice. Spice are my thing. Yeah. Every day I eat something spicy. So, that thing I'm used to, you know. I my thing. Normally I have to deal with the shell. Take the meat out of the shell. So that is a plus. I have to really do that today. Whereas a curry lobster, you don't have to touch that. I left stain on your finger. You get me what I say? I'm a car seat mess up, people. Nothing major. So we are dive down in our food. Right now the food hot and nice, so we don't wait till it get cold. Now I gotta eat slow. I'm a man when I dig cold food. My food have hot, steaming. Although this is not so steaming, but not so hot, but it okay. So we just a dive down in our people. We not eat. So Jamaica Island Cuisine, check them out. Them have a buzz. So I'm gonna leave them location and contact number in the description. So check them out, people. Them did a good job on the lobster. I give him a call, you know. I give him a call and see where I'm there. I see where I'm there. If you want to pick up people, I'll be the call him right now, you know. See where I'm there on an idea. If I'm free or if I'm busy. So right now, still a dive down in this. You see me? But bro, you're there on the live, you know. Now good look. I swear.
What is that now?
You know what I say? I some lobster me there I go and beat up. And I go and record. The people have know say they're on the camera, that's it.
Yeah, man, big up to everybody who watching.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Real man, we are gonna beat up some champagne. Where's it going?
Birthday settings. Lobster, all that.
Lobster and ground provision, man. Dumpling, banana. Irish. And some sweet potato, you see me? Yeah. Real, man. Yeah, man, sir. I tell you, man. Yeah.
So listen, look me up on the road there, okay, I show the people them right now to me see me can, they now go can see for my phone.
Nah, I go see, but it a screen record. You see me?
Okay.
Yeah, man, so them a see you right now. You see me?
Yeah, we go on the road people, you know?
For real, for real.
They
Man, up. Yeah.
You know what,
That is it.
Yeah, people, so we have our next part and our trim whole family them and some next set of people, you know. We always have on the hunting, but my brother birthday, I mean, I never sponsor it. I go to them. Oh, alright. I did see. Alright,
for real, for real.
Yeah, from
Yeah, man, but I there, man. You see me?
alright.
Match up your crime. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, people, so as you can see, we just link up Marsh and thing, you see me? Right now, I full up, you know, but even if I can't finish this, you know. You see me? Food enough for now, I think, people, so. So beat me on one part, but I try to finish it still, you know. I try, you know. I do it for me, you know. Right now, I feel like if I bust this, you know. Feel like I disaffect for trying to beat the food with. You see me I say, but I know what thing go. Yeah. I eat it, people. I eat this, you know, we're not gonna make the carp fly in people because I don't want it mash up the ceiling, you know. See it there? Yeah. That is it. That is it, people. Cheers. So, switch up the thing a bit. Champagne and lobster. Tell them don't try this at home, you know? Champagne and lobster. Our birthday, so we have to do it. We have to do something. And me alone there. So, brother not there. So you know it go. Yeah. We have to just do it while we can. When me and brother link up, you know, a mad thing. But right now, people, lobster beat my butt, because right now I'm full up. You see me, but I try my best. Almost there. I want to make it waste, you know. No, make it waste. But I'm going to make it work. So I'm down to two dumpling and a little bit of lobster. So. See what I go on, people, because right now, it have me away, people, right now, I'm full up. So we are going to get it done. This coming like one of them food challenge thing there. You see how much you can eat. Right now, I feel like the situation they be in right now. Right now, people, belly loaded. So right now, I just shake down some of my food, you know. Cause we all make it work, you know. So we all shake down some of my food. Yeah, I say, that's all alone I can make it work, you know. So, shake down some of my food. I go in and recite, you know. I don't want to nothing normal, I go and write, I say that. Yeah, people, so we're getting there. We're getting there. I'll try to finish this food. Rough. I will not make the money waste, you know. Nah, make it waste. What I get there. So I done it, I know. Done I know people. We did it. No joke, we did it. We did it. Jamaica Island Cuisine. Check them out. Give them a support. Yeah, people, so like, share, comment, also subscribe, and check out Jamaica Island Cuisine and Lobster. But so remember, subscribe. That is it, people. Today I'm my idea. So we are living to the fullest. That is it.